Yo, what's going on guys? It's your boy Zxire. Welcome back to another video on the channel for you guys today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to reduce input delay in Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 5. So if you guys do enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get on with the video. So let's start off with what input delay even is. The Google definition of input lag is the amount of time that passes between sending an electrical signal and the occurrence of a corresponding action. For example, the delay between pressing a key on a keyboard and a letter appearing on the monitor. In short, input lag occurs on input devices, while output lag occurs on output devices. So basically, it's the amount of time it takes for a certain action to be performed on the monitor after you press a key on the keyboard. When you press a key on the keyboard and that letter pops up on the monitor, it's the time that's in between that, which is what input delay is. So the next question is, why would you want to reduce the input delay in Fortnite? Well, for starters, reducing the input delay just makes the game overall feel a whole lot smoother than if you had a higher input delay. Building and editing becomes a whole lot easier because since the delay is so short, you were able to place the building pieces a lot faster and you're able to perform edits a lot faster, and you're also able to perform small adjustments within the game. So like, let's say while you're like aiming, you're like able to make that slight adjustment on a lower input delay than if you had a higher one. So the first way that I'm going to show you guys to reduce the amount of input delay you guys have in game is to go to your control panel. So right click on your desktop, go to the NVIDIA control panel, go to the first tab in the NVIDIA control panel, and now make sure your settings are like mine. Make sure the used advanced 3D image settings is ticked. So once you guys have the same settings as me, just press take me there and it should take you to this tab right here. Scroll down until you see low latency mode. So for this setting, if you are getting a higher FPS than your monitor's refresh rate, then set this to ultra like so. But if you are getting a lower frame rate than your refresh rate, change it to on. So basically what I mean by that is, for my monitor, I have a 60 hertz monitor. So since I'm getting frame rates higher than 60 hertz, I'm going to set it to ultra. But if you're someone that is getting frame rates that are lower than your monitor's refresh rate, so in this case 60, then change it to on. So once you are done, just press apply. It should apply the setting, and that's it. So the next little tip to reduce the amount of input delay in Fortnite is to switch back to DX11. With this mode, you will get a higher frame rate and your input delay will be significantly lower. Honestly, just try out all three rendering modes, DX11, 12, and the new performance mode, and see which mode gives you the best frame rate and like the most consistent frame rate, and like which mode gives you the lowest amount of input delay. Then just use that mode. It's all trial and error. It's going to be different for each system. The rendering mode that would work for me probably wouldn't work for you, so just try each one out and just see which one is the best for your system. So the next method or tip is the AtomX method. So what you guys are going to want to do is first create a restore point. You always want to create a restore point when you're doing anything in the Windows registry. So just go down to your search, type create a restore point, press enter. This should open. Go to configure, make sure this is on 5%. So this will be enough to cover your whole operating system, so you should be good. Press apply. Okay, press create, name it whatever you want, and press create. And once it's done, it should just prompt you to close. So press close and you've created a restore point, so you can go back to it at any time in the future, just in case something happens or if you just want to revert the change in the future. But next, click Windows and R and type in regedit. Click enter. A prompt should pop up. Just press yes. So what you guys are going to want to do is go to HKey local machine, go to system, current control set, control, scroll down until you find priority control. Click on it and you guys should see Win32 priority separation. Double click it. So if you want the game to be as smooth as possible, then go for 16. But if you want the lowest input delay possible, change it to 28. It's honestly personal preference. If you guys want your game to be more smooth and if you guys want higher and more consistent frame rate, then go with 16. But if you want the lowest input delay possible, go with 28. So once you pick which one you want, just press OK, and that's it. Just exit out of that. So next, what you guys are going to want to do is go to your graphics settings. So just type in graphics settings, press enter, and it should open this tab in settings. Just go to browse and just find where your Fortnite launcher is located. So once you found where your Fortnite is located, just change the set graphics preference to high performance and press save. So the last two things that you guys can actually do to reduce the amount of input delay on Fortnite is to first go to your keyboard settings, make sure your repeat delay is on short and your repeat rate is on fast, press apply and okay. So basically what that does is it makes it so your keyboard is registered faster in Windows. So from the second you push your key down, that's when it registers. It also makes like multi-key presses a lot faster, so you'll be able to edit a lot faster if you have it on short and fast. So next is your mouse. So just search up mouse, go to additional mouse options, go to pointer options, and make sure enhanced pointer precision is unticked, and make sure this is 6 ticks to the left from fast. So slide it down to fast and use your arrow keys to go 6 ticks to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press apply. Once it's done, press OK. So with all of these methods and tips, it should drastically reduce the amount of input delay you are getting in Fortnite. So if you guys do enjoy today's video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. It's been your boy Zxire, and I'm out. Peace.